Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Thomas. Today we're back here with a montage. Today we're up for a multi-parter. I don't think he's done this a lot, but today we're checking out the full thing on Monster Hunter World. Yeah, all of them, like even the Clean the April Fool's one. I'll show you when it comes up, but first, let's get this hunter underway. Let's go. Be sure to subscribe for more. Hope you enjoy. Here we go. Sorry. I forgot to change it back to the first part. There we go. Set up.
Good, Poogie, good.
Yoga. Ow! Beep! Oh, hey. Ow!
A monster that's been giving...
Shut up! No, no, no. Looks about right. Oh, there he goes. Ooh. Nom. Oh, okay. Oh man, that's our food. Oh.
Do you know the way?
Do you know the way? Oh, here we go again! Fires! Ow! Okay, hold on. Yeesh. Oh. Okay, the fact that got thrown out of the PS4. Nice. Oh. That's one way down him. Let's go on the tree. Uh-oh. Oh, the rocks. There we go. Dipper! We're done! Before you ask, each hunt's a different quest. You can do. There you go. Oh, what are they gonna make out of that? Yep, here comes part 2. I said, hello.
I have things.
I have things.
Hunters, I'm glad you're here. Zora Magdaros is coming and we have to stop him.
Gross.
Ew. Oh, there we go. You just can't time it. Just don't land in the actual volcano. Ow. Yep. Aren't you gonna stop him? Okay, I just saw him hit body. Oh.
Ah! Stop!
Oh.
It's Nergigante!
That's okay. I'm gonna say it. Really?
Do it!
Do it!
Come on, kill me, I'm here! Come on, do it now, kill me!
Oh. Well, that didn't work. Off you go. Oh! Off you go. Well, that's one way to make sure they don't come back.
I'm not done yet.
Oh. I don't think so. Uh-oh. Alright. The names.
You can feel it in your bones, right? Something...
Rude. Uh-oh. He's back. Oh. Coming!
Okay, that's it. The cartoon's over.
Great job.
That's one way to end it. Not even sure that. Basically, multiplayer, just like, yep, thank you, up, thank you. I feel like that's what happened there. Anywho, it's still pretty interesting. Next. Guess we haven't seen a Palico yet. Oh, too much. Hello.
Oh, what a good Poogie, good Poogie, good Poogie. What'd you find?
Oh, hi, bird.
Bird up!
Hey, the bird. Bird up. Flower festival. Nice.
Wow.
Oh, hi. Hey. Whee. Hi.
Oh, great! You guys are just in time. He's almost here.
Oh, crap. Oops. Well, that didn't work. Jeez, repent. Oh, God. Oh, bird. Hmm? Oh, that was close. And off you go. Rude. Nope. That's what was going on? Is that an eagle? Okay, that must have been an April Fool's. Oh, there it is. Of course you do it again. Alright, next one. There. Oh, it was the self-help. Did you see Dante back there? He held the dragon. Alright.
Good, Poogie.
Let's go, Boogie. Hey, Lugia. It's not saying. Oh. Ow! Oh, just saw Applebee's. Whoa! Let. Oof. I don't know. Ooh, bugs. I hope someone got a gas pass or something.
There it is! We did it! Bal Hazak is really here!
Shut up! Enjoy it! What? It's all horror! Don't sell it. Oh, wait, what? Okay, that works. Wow! Hey! Oh, come on! Well, I guess one way to slam, just like the thing on fire. Okay. Okay, well, the Spring Festival, okay. Never mind, no. Not yet for the whole, you know. Oh, alright, yes. Ooh, smoke weed? Whoa! Oh, hurt him again? Jesus. What is happening? Okay, I'm pretty sure we're not done yet. There we go. It's like,
Alright, I gotta leave, okay?
John, we just started. Come on, man.
yeah, we just got here.
Not seeing this life. Not wasting it here.
That looks like we're gonna have to. Ooh. Ew. Yikes! Nightmare! Uh-oh. I know it took care of itself, though, but... I mean,
Okay, that's it. The cartoon's over.
Nope. Bye-bye.
Bird.
Oh, bye, bird. So much bird. Can't even tell if we're going there or not. Next.
Bird up.
Uh-oh. Ew.
Bird up.
Oh, no.
The bird dimension.
Oh, yep, we're in the bird dimension now. Okay, yeah, definitely April Fool's here. Oh, God. Jesus Christ. No wonder he did this for April Fools. Too much bird. Alright, we done? Okay. How much more bird we got? So much bird. Is that a reverse bird? Jeez, can we just log out? Holy crap!
Bird up.
Jeez. Good lord. Am I actually suffering from a seizure right now? I don't know. What is happening? I'm too scared to pause. I just don't know when it's gonna stop. Boy. Oh. Oh God. Are we done? Okay. Thank God. That hurt. Like, what was that? Just, jeez. I don't know how many more we got. It's just, okay. We're almost done. I just need a minute. Okay. Wait. Wait. Okay, we're near the end. Let's just get this done. I think I need a breather after that one. Oh, God damn it. Where's your bird? Oh, final one. Here we go. Last one. Last one. Stay. Uh-oh.
What is that sound? It's driving the Lugias crazy.
Yo, who cares? Let's hunt some monsters!
Yeah, here we go! Oh. Yeah! Oh, not this time. Oh, that didn't work. Ow.
She was such a nice young lady, too. Oh, main characters, your handler is dead. You can have his.
What?
Huh?
Well, I'll be your temporary handler. It's just a temporary thing. Don't get too comfortable. It's going to be a temporary arrangement. Temporarily, I can't stress enough how temporary this is.
He's like marrying you.
Oh,
Don't worry, I got this.
That's one way. Hey, boss.
We master rank now.
So, yeah. Hey,
That
guys.
sound is driving the monsters crazy. Hunters, find the monster making it.
We got it. Off we go. Hi.
Is that it?
No.
No, that's not it.
Alright, though. Time to die. Okay, bye. Nope.
Is that it?
No.
No, that's not it.
No. Die, though. This
Is
it.
that it?
No, that's not it.
Is that it?
No.
Is that it?
No.
Is that it?
Nope.
No,
Is that it?
Nope.
that's not it.
Are we even close?
Is that it?
No.
No.
Dang it.
Greetings.
Oh, the
It is
bird
me,
again?
Your friendly neighborhood bird.
Not again! Ow! Off me.
Oi! Stop that!
Well, that was fast.
What the? I can still hear that song!
All right, we've been tracking the locations of the song.
Dude,
These are the locations in chronological order.
and this is where my grandson Timmy heard that devil music. He is such a good boy. God bless him.
We have also linked the song to tremors across the region.
Yes, but we already confirmed that those tremors were caused by your mom.
Amazing. Looks like our teamwork has paid off. The source of the song is here. Hunters, now's our chance.
let's go! Good time. Hi! Honey. Alright. Oh, you again? Oh, okay, bye. Whoa! Oh my god. Oh, you found it! Bubble wrapping? Oh, jeez. Oh, look out. Jeez, would someone just slay this thing? Ow. Yeah, this thing's strong. I can either launch a single player or something. That works. Oh, it's done, finally.
Hunters, you did it! Sharish Valdo will never make a mixtape ever again.
Why didn't any of you help us?
The world is saved, thanks to you.
Bird up.
Okay, one last to go, huh?
Hunters,
Yep.
come with me. I have something to show you.
Oh. Jeez. Whew. Well, we're finally done with that one. But, well, you know the drill. One more to go. Just need to finish up this last bit. There it goes.
Your reputation precedes you, Hunter. I trust you know what I've called you here to discuss.
Bird dog, give me bird dog, bird dog, give me bird dog, bird dog, bird
They're
dog, give me bird
infected.
dog, bird dog, bird dog.
Well, goes to show you, they got infected by the bird. I'm done. Don't worry about it. No more from me. Okay. And, well, now we know the bird up thing. Anyway, till next time, guys. Thanks for watching. See ya.